So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a full face of first impressions. I'm gonna be trying some makeup products and pretty much give you guys my first impression of them. I'm definitely nowhere a beauty guru, but I really enjoy watching these videos, and I definitely went on a bit of a shopping spree where I also got some makeup, so I thought, you know what, might as well try them on camera. And yeah, if you're interested, just keep on watching. So in this moment I don't have anything on my face except for my brows, and that's just because I tested a product that needed to like stay on your brow for like 2 hours, and so I've done that in advance and we're going to talk about it in a bit. But first thing first, I'm just gonna like prime my face. I'm not gonna like apply any sort of like foundation because I'm not really into that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be applying the ordinary lactic acid, and then after this one dries up, I'm just gonna go ahead with my trusty Clinique, and this one is the Moist Surge 72 hours ultra reparation hydrator. So yeah, let's do it. I'm probably gonna be like blind for like most of this video because if I take my glasses out, and I need to take my glasses out in order to apply things, I literally don't see anything, guys. So hopefully this doesn't get messy because otherwise it will be a nightmare. So what I usually do, I just take a few drops on my fingertips, and then I like to kind of press it on my skin, or just like doing this sort of movement. I know that some people say that if you do apply it on your finger first and not directly on your skin, it will like dries out, and so you don't have anything to apply on your skin. Personally, it doesn't really happen to me, so I don't know, it's just personal. And I really love the effect of this one. It's not my first time trying it, but it's definitely one of my favorite. I just really love the feeling to have afterwards, or like how my skin kind of looks. Honestly, I really like it. So I'm just gonna wait a bit for it to dry now, and meanwhile I'm gonna be applying my eyeliner. This one is the liner that I'm gonna be testing today. It's from Chattel London and it's called Stump and Drag, and I actually got this in one of the beauty subscription boxes that I tested out. And what I like about it is that it actually has a stump on this side, so you can definitely use this one as a guideline and then fill it up with the other bit, which is pretty much what I do. So let me just stop talking and get this right. Other side. So I do believe that eyeliner rings should not be twins, but they should be sisters, because mine definitely looks like sisters. Anyway, honestly, I really like this eyeliner. I feel like the stump thing definitely makes it super easy to apply, and so although I do really do a perfect job, just because this scenery is not the greatest, and like I usually don't use this mirror to do my makeup, I would just use like the mirror that's pretty much behind my camera right now. But I really like it. I feel like for a beginner this is like a super easy like eyeliner to use, and the fact that it has like a stump, it's just gonna like help you out a lot. Let me just say that. The next step, I'm gonna go ahead with mascara. This one that I'm trying is the Black Magic Mascara Drama and Curls, and this is also something that I got in my beauty subscription box. And what I like about this is the wand right here. As you can tell, it's a big curve, and I feel like that's just gonna help a lot. Now, I forgot to like take a Q-tip with me to like clean this up afterwards, and like usually I'm a messy mascara type of person, so I would definitely apply it like everywhere, get it on my eyelids, and then just go ahead with a Q-tip and fix it. But I can't really do that right now, so hopefully this turns out good, and hopefully I don't get this all over my eyes. Oh yes, really like it so far. Wow. Honestly guys, I always use the mascara Paradise by L'Oreal That's been like my all-time favorite mascara ever since I tried it for the first time. I always kept buying it and using it, but this one changes the game. Oh my goodness, I'm honestly obsessed with it. Really love the one. Like I said, I think that it just gives you like so much more definition, and it definitely makes you like way less clumsy. It just gives you like a ton of length with definition as well. So it's not just length, it's like length, volume, and definition. And now I'm hella obsessed with it. Wow. I mean, I'm definitely gonna do close-up looks at the end because I don't know if you can see anything right now, but this looks super good. Like, I'm honestly really obsessed with it. Wow. Then next up, I would apply some concealer, but before to do that, I'm just gonna go ahead with my Clinique ones because I'm pretty sure the serum that I applied earlier dried out by now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my Clinique just like that. Oh my goodness, am I the only one who just loves a good moisturizer? I love it. Okay, so now that my moisturizer is on, I'm just gonna go ahead with concealer, and the one I'm gonna be trying is this Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. So I remember this one being super duper popular when I first started YouTube, which honestly was quite a few years ago right now, and I will watch like all these beauty gurus do their makeup and they will always talk about this product. So it's definitely not something new, but I never really tried it, so we're gonna do it today. Okay, how do we use this one? I'm pretty sure you need to turn it somehow. Oh, there we go. Now it's coming out. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think I might need to like squeeze it a bit more. Oh wait, actually no. Yeah, it's just, oh yes. I usually do like a V under my eyes, but like it's quite hard to like do a V shape with this product. I'm actually really happy that I got the shade right, because I definitely thought that I was gonna like mess up the shade. Honestly, not bad. I feel like I would like it to be a bit creamier, meaning I just need to apply more product, because I feel like it's definitely a bit on the drier side right now, but just because I don't have that much product on. Also guys, tell me in the comments below if you apply concealer before you do your eyes makeup or afterwards, because I know some people apply it before, but I've always applied it afterwards. So yeah, let me know what you do. And other than that, I'm actually quite happy with this product. Not gonna lie, I do really like it. Like concealer wise, I've always gone for the Garnier one, but this one, oh my goodness, I'm actually really liking it. I love the coverage, it's really good. Like wow, I really like it. Then next up, I'm gonna be trying the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink on the shade 01, which is called Loyalist. Now I honestly tried already this type of lipstick for like this brand, just like different colors, and I really love the formula. It's just gonna stay on your lips for like ages, and I have a bright red one as well, and I can just like go out and eat and that will stay in my lips. Like it's crazy guys. So let's try this other one on, shall we? I also love how I have a proper mirror right here, and I'm always reaching out for the small one. Like what's wrong with me? Honestly, I knew that I was gonna like this one. Usually I also go ahead with like tissue and like take the excess out and then apply some more if I feel like I need it, but I pretty much forgot to like bring most of the supplies that I need, so I can't really do that. I'm gonna do that afterwards and then show you guys like the proper final result. But I really love the liquid lipstick. I feel like you should definitely give it a go. And now let's move on onto my brows. Let me also put my glasses on so that I can finally see something. Oh my god, it's so much better. So brows wise, like I told you guys, I haven't really done anything on camera right now, but I've applied the product that's called Tattoo Brow. It's this one right here from Maybelline, and you're supposed to like apply it 2 hours before, because like if you want it to last up to 3 days, you need to like stay for 2 freaking hours. So I done that last night and also filmed myself while doing it, and this is the final result. Honestly, from a distance, I think it's super duper great. Up close, I would definitely modify it a bit. I would definitely go ahead with some regular eyebrow pencil and like kind of fix it up, just because I like my eyebrow to like have a bit more hair, so I will just like draw some hair on it. But overall, I really liked this product. I feel like you should definitely give it a go because it's not that expensive either, and I loved waking up today with just like my eyebrows done, because I feel like even though I had no makeup on, I just had my eyebrows done, my hair looked some sort of nice. Like I loved it. Honestly, I would definitely recommend it. Also, it's super easy to use. So this is how the product looks like, and you literally just apply it on your eyebrows following a shape that you like, and then you just let it set for 20 minutes up until 2 hours, and it'll do the trick. Honestly, I'm super obsessed with it. Not gonna lie, when I took it off, it's like it's a peel off formula, and so when I peel it off, it looked super weird. It looked as if all my hair was in there, but it wasn't. So yeah, just to warn you, it was quite weird. And I was also kind of terrified when I was applying this on, because I didn't want it to mess up or any of that. But guess what, I actually did mess up, and then I just went ahead with my finger. I feel like a Q-tip would be better, but I just went ahead with my finger and I kind of took the excess out and make the shape that I wanted to make. And as you can tell, everything is good. I really love them. I would definitely recommend this product, but I'm gonna go ahead and just define them a tiny bit more. Those two are the eyebrow pencil that I love and I'm using. This one is the Kiko Eyebrow Sculpt, and what I like about this is that it has this little brush, which I do use quite a lot. Just like brush my eyebrows up and just create the shape that I like. And then this other one is the L'Oreal High Contour Brow Artist, and I really love how thin is the pencil. It definitely helps you to like draw some hair, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. So that's the video for today. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below what you think and which product was your favorite, and if not, be sure to subscribe to my channel for a brand new video every Friday and a music related one every Tuesday. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!